There's always something that needs your attention at a campground. Guests are checking in, the phone is ringing, and you probably have a maintenance project halfway finished. In the middle of all of that, trying to stay connected with your guests can feel like just another chore on an already long list. That's why we created CampLife Email Marketing. We wanted to give you a simple way to reach out to your community without adding a complicated new system to your day. Because your guest information is already inside CampLife, you can start building recipient lists right away using the data you already have. You can group guests based on things like tags, site types, or their past stay history. You can send a quick update about a new amenity, remind past guests that reservations are opening for the season, or share a seasonal greeting. Whether you're looking to fill a few midweek gaps or just want to stay in touch during the off-season, you can do it all within the platform you're already using. It's a straightforward way to keep your park at the front of your guest's mind without switching between different systems. Sometimes a simple, helpful message is all it takes to remind guests why they loved staying at your park in the first place. That's the kind of connection CampLife is built to support. So, what could CampLife do for your park?